I cannot share my screen. The problem, that's try to convey the same to the Durga people. I cannot call from my mobile. My mobile is not working. Anyone of you, please call to DURGASOFT and ask them. I cannot able to share my screen from my side.
Okay, sir. I'm connecting to DURGASOFT 1 minute. Sir.
Yeah. Now I got it. No need to call. No need to call.
Okay, sir.
Is everyone can view my screen now?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, can see.
Okay, guys, let us start the class. Is all of you had your breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, guys, actually in your syllabus, I'm going to cover total 6 modules. Understand all of you? The first module is configuration. Second module is development. Third module is integration. Fourth module is administration. Module is CRM. Last one is lightning. These are the 6 important modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus. Everybody please mute from your side. Everybody please mute. Excuse me, a lot of disturbance from your side. Everybody please mute. Don't disturb others. These are the 6 modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus. Configuration, development, integration, administration, CRM, and lightning. All these 6 modules I'm going to cover within 3 months, guys. Okay. Fine. So before I'm going to start configuration, I need to discuss about some important topics, important points. So before we all enter into configuration, that is what is Salesforce.com? What is cloud computing? If you want, you can directly talk with me, guys. Every day you have session Harsha Chauhan. Every day you have class.
Hello, sir. I have one query. So can I ask?
Yeah, why not?
So I just wanted to clarify some queries because this is the first class. So I have queries like regarding I'm already having a professional working with around 8+ years of experience. So like if I'm doing this course, so whether I will be getting that much knowledge that I can go with 8 years of experience with Salesforce and because currently I'm working in some different technology.
What is your name?
Aditya.
Ajay, you're calling from which place?
I'm working actually in Bangalore.
Oh, you're speaking from Bangalore?
Yeah, I work in Bangalore, but now like due to COVID, like I'm in hometown.
Where?
Actually, I'm in Bihar right now.
Bihar. Okay.
Yeah.
Aditya, this is my number 95534 95532. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
This is my name. You please message me.
Okay.
And WhatsApp me. That is my WhatsApp number only.
Okay.
Regarding this kind of queries, you can directly talk with me, not in the classroom. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Here, all of you. Regarding your, this means someone need to mute, guys. Noise around you. Everybody, Aditya, please listen carefully, all of you, and try to understand. Regarding apart from the subject, If you have any other queries or other questions, other doubts, you can directly message me with your name so that I will respond through WhatsApp. All of you understand? Clear,
Sir,
everyone?
Yes,
is
sir.
there real-time projects in this course, sir, in this 3 months of duration?
If you want to, if you want, I can do the project also. No problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And at present, my mobile is not working. It is going to be work by evening today. After evening 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, you can message me. Understand, all of you? If you have any doubts. Now let us start the class. So before we all enter into configuration, we need to discuss about some important points. That is, what is salesforce.com? What is cloud computing? What kind of services provided by cloud computing over the internet? Types of services. Okay, like IaaS, PaaS, and what? PaaS or IaaS. These are the topics I'm going to discuss. After that, we need to discuss about something like Salesforce clouds, Salesforce partners, versions of Salesforce, editions of Salesforce, environments of Salesforce. And also, we will discuss about MVC architecture, 15 pillars to develop any project, Salesforce. And also, we will discuss about how to create an account in Salesforce. And also, we will discuss about what is app, what is tab, what is a subject, what is field, data, record. So these are the important points I need to discuss before we all enter into what? A configuration. Understand, all of you? Everybody, I'm going very slow. I'm going very slow, guys. Okay. Try to understand what I'm speaking. If you have any doubts, you can unmute, you can talk with me. Unless and until, if you do not have any doubts, don't unmute. Clear, all of you? It is getting disturbance. So these are the points I'm going to discuss, guys, before we all enter into the first module. What is this? Configuration. Okay, let us start the class. What is Salesforce? What is Salesforce.com? Salesforce.com is a vendor company like Microsoft, now something like IBM. We have Oracle. We have like Google. Okay, we have PeopleSoft. Like that, there are so many companies are there in the market. All these companies, we can call them as what? Vendor companies. Like these companies, Salesforce.com is also a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company CEO, Chief Executive Officer, is Mr. Mark Benioff. Mr. Mark Benioff is the CEO of this company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California. Actually, Mark Benioff is an ex-employee in Oracle company, guys. He's an employee in Oracle company. He resigned the job over there in Oracle company. He started his own business in 1999. Company name is called what? Salesforce. Clear, all of you? This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. Now all of you understand. This is the background history of what? Salesforce.com. So once again, I'm repeating, guys, listen careful, all of you, and try to understand. Salesforce.com is a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name is called what? Cloud computing. Up to this, all of you understand? If anybody have any doubts, you can ask the questions. If you do not ask the questions, I will ask the question. Shall I? Guys, speak out, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, which kind of companies can someone need to mute, guys? Some noise around you. Thank you. Which kind of companies can be called as vendor companies? Vendor companies are those kind of companies. They will develop what? Software products such as operating systems, programming languages. We have something like databases. All of you understand, guys? These are all what? Software products. Clear, all of you? These are the software products are manufactured by or selling by whom here? Vendor companies. Okay. Suppose, as I said, operating system, Windows operating system that everybody knows. That is operating system developed by which company? Speak out. Microsoft company.
Microsoft.
Microsoft company is a vendor company or not? So
Yes.
Microsoft company developed one of the operating system name is called Windows operating system. Like that, .NET is a technology. It's a technology. But .NET technology also developed by whom here?
Microsoft.
Microsoft. Like that, you know about Gmail application. Tell me, who developed Gmail application? Which company?
Google.
Google. Like that, you know about database Oracle. Oracle database developed which company?
Oracle itself.
Oracle company only. Clear, all of you? Like that, vendor companies or both kind of companies are developing what? Software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, technologies, packages, applications. These are all developed by whom here? Vendor companies. Am I clear at this point? There are so many vendor companies in the market, like Salesforce, Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, Google, PeopleSoft. These are all vendor companies. And they will develop what? They will develop what?
Software.
And they will sell these software products to whom here? To whom?
To service-based companies or users.
Development companies. There are another kind of companies in the market. Someone need to mute, guys. The noise around you. Don't disturb the class. There are another kind of companies in the market. That is development companies. See, guys, if you sit in the class in the crowded place, then what will happen? You can't understand what I'm speaking, what I'm explaining here. I can't understand what you're asking. It is disturbing for you and for me also, and also rest of the people. The whole class is going to disturb. I'm requesting everyone in the classroom, while you're listening the class, sit in a separate room without any disturbance, so that I can easily understand what you're asking. You can easily understand what I'm explaining. I'm requesting everyone in the classroom. Tomorrow onwards, please sit in a separate room, separate idle room without any disturbance. Clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, guys. So development companies, this is the second type of company in the market in IT industry, like Infosys. And we have something like TCS, TTS, Capgemini. Okay, like Accenture. There are so many companies in the market. All these companies are comes under development companies category. So in the entire IT industry, we have two types of companies. One is vendor companies. The other one is what? Development. Vendor companies like Microsoft, IBM and all. And whereas development companies are what? Infosys, TCS, CTS, Capgemini, Accenture. These are all comes under what? Development companies. So development companies are developing what? They will develop software applications as per the third people requirement. That is whom here? Speak out.
Client.
So who is a client? Client is a business person, business people. Yes or no? So business people, we can call them as what? Clients. Development companies are developing the software applications as per the requirement of clients here. The business people. Am I clear, guys? So that in the entire IT industry, in the entire software industry, there are three important key players are there. How many important key players?
Three.
Three important key players. Who is the first player? Speak out, all of you.
Vendor company.
Vendor company.
Vendor
Second
company.
player,
Development
development companies. And who is the third person?
Client.
people, which is called clients.
Yes or no? I will
Yes, sir.
show you here. I will show you here. I will show you some PowerPoint presentation here regarding all these points, whatever we discussed here. So total, how many players in IT industry? Vendor companies can also be called as what? Product-based companies. Yes or no?
Sir.
Who is the second person? Development companies are service-based companies. And third person?
Clients.
Clients. Total, how many important players in IT industry?
3.
Okay. Vendor companies like what? They will develop the software products. Salesforce, Oracle, Google, Microsoft, IBM, SAP. These are all what? Vendor companies. Yes or no? Vendor
Yes.
companies developing what? Software products. And they will sell the software products to whom here?
Development company.
Development companies who develop the software applications as per the
Business requirement.
business requirement. Who will do the business? Clients will do the business. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
What are the companies here? Infosys, Accenture, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra. There are many companies are there in the market. Those people comes under what? Development companies. Understand? And who is the third person? Clients.
Clients are the third.
Clients are end users. Who uses the software applications in the business? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
End users uses the software applications in the
application.
business. Okay. Like Barclays is a banking industry. Vodafone belongs to telecom industry. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Allianz company belongs to what? Allianz insurance company. Okay. Emirates, Indian Airlines, Cathay Pacific. These are all what? Travel and tourism. Okay. University of Oxford, Stanford University, JNTU. These are all what? Education institutes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These are all what? Clients. So total, how many people are there here? Speak out.
3.
3 people. Who are these people here? Speak out.
Vendor companies.
Vendors, developments, and
Vendor companies.
clients.
Development and
Development companies and clients. The whole game is rotating. The whole game is rotating between these 3 people only. Now it is clear, all of you.
Mostly just the rank system getting set up.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. Everybody, please mute, guys. Thank you. Next. Coming to the next important point. What is cloud computing here? What is cloud computing? That is a point I'm going to. Excuse me. Someone- Yeah, tell me any doubts? Shall I continue? How many number of times I'm telling them? Raghu Kumar, please mute from your side. What is cloud computing here? Cloud computing, it is a concept or it is a technology. This technology, in this concept, whatever IT services we need everything will provided by whom? By
Vendors.
vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Net connection and access those, what is this? Services. So before I'm going to discuss about the definition of cloud computing, as of now, we discussed about three important players. Who is the first player here? Vendor companies or product-based companies. Second player is what?
Development.
Service-based companies or
Service-based.
development companies and clients. Vendor companies are those kind of companies developing what?
Product or application.
Using those products, development companies are developing what? Software applications
Applications
as per
as per
the
the client requirements.
yes or no? So that is how the whole game is rotating. Fine. Tell me, this particular software, this particular computers, IT market, boom last 30 years only. Yes or no? Before 40 years, do we have any software applications in the market?
Rarely.
Yes or no? Before 40 years, nobody knows what is computer and all. Am I correct or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For 40 years, nobody knows what is computer, what is software applications and all. Clear all of you. Okay.
Yes.
Last 15, 20 years only, we are using computers like anything. Now, what is my question is, what are the advantages of using software applications in the business? Why the clients are using software applications in the business? That's my question here. Yesterday, I told you an important point. What is the first advantage? If you are using software application in your business, the first major advantage is what? It saves your
Time.
time. And also, it gives the security. And finally, what is this? Gives the what? Scalability. All of you understand? So let me discuss about one by one. These are the advantages of using software applications in the business. Understand everyone? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Nokia 8. Nokia 8. Alka. Alka, please mute from your side. Nokia, you also. Who is Nokia 8? So there are three advantages of using software applications, guys. What is the first advantage? Time saving,
Security and scalability.
security, and scalability. So if you are using software applications, how it saves your time? That is a point I'm going to discuss. Listen carefully and try to understand here. Suppose one of my friend, his name is Raj, and my name is Sai On. We both are the friends. I want to transfer 10,000 rupees into my friend's account, his Raj account. If I want to transfer 10,000 rupees into my friend's account, what I have to do? I need to go to the bank. I'm talking about 40 years back matter, not now. 40 years back matter I'm talking. I need to go to the bank. I need to take some form. Yes or no? I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. I need to wait for some time. They will give some token to me. After that, I can withdraw the amount. After that, I need to go to another bank. Suppose my friend Raj having account in SBI, State Bank of India, he's having. I need to go to SBI. There I'm going to take some deposit form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. Then only I can deposit the amount in his account. Tell me, the whole process takes near about 1 hour time or not?
Yes, sir.
That is long back story. Now, if you want to transfer some amount from your account to your friend's account, you don't need to go to the bank. You have plenty of ways. Yes or no? Speak out, everybody.
Yes, sir.
You have different ways to transfer the funds.
Yes, sir.
We can use net banking application. We can use mobile banking application. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Or
sir.
we can use phone pay. Or you can use what? Google Pay. There are so many ways to, Paytm. There are so many ways to transfer the funds from your account to friend's account. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What are all these? These are all software applications or not?
Yes, sir.
Using these
Yes,
software
sir.
applications, I can easily transfer the funds from my account to my friend's account. So according to this example, what you understand is, if you are using software applications, is it saves your time or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The second advantage is what? Security. What is the security here? Suppose I am going to the supermarket. I want to buy some groceries into my home. I want to buy some groceries. I'm going to the supermarket. If you want to go to the supermarket, I no need to carry. I no need to carry what? Cash with me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I no need to carry cash or money with me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everybody. Because I have what? I have the cards, either debit card or credit card. Or I can use what? I can use my mobile. Using mobile also, I can pay through what? Paytm, Google Pay, or Phone Pay. Using these applications also, I can do marketing or not.
Yes, sir.
Because I can buy something, I can pay through what? Phone Pay, Google Pay, and all. Once you do not carry the cash with you, then automatically, indirectly, you're getting security for your money, for your cash.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? This is the second advantage
sir.
of using software application. The third advantage is what here? Scalability. What is the meaning of scalability here? Scalability means my Raj, he's in Vizag. Let us assume like this. Or maybe he's in Mumbai. Let us assume like this. I'm in Hyderabad. If I want to transfer some amount into my friend's account, I need to travel from Hyderabad to Bombay. I need to deposit in the Bombay branch only. Understand all of you? Why? Because banks are different, branches are different. 40 years back, 30 years back, every bank, every branch is working independently. One bank is only related to what? Other banks. But once software applications come into the market, every bank, every branch is integrated together. So that is the reason nowadays we can easily transfer the funds from any bank to any bank, from any branch to any branch, across the world, across the globe. Yes or no? That is all about what here? Scalability. So we can achieve scalability with the help of what?
Software application.
Applications. So these are the three major advantages of using software applications. I hope everyone understand all these three advantages.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It saves the time, it provides the security, and also we can achieve what? Scalability. These are the advantages of using software applications. But the disadvantage, it's not disadvantage, I can say it's a difficulty. Difficulties of using software applications in the business. That is a point I'm going to discuss. What are the difficulties here? The difficulties is both clients and development companies, is they have to upgrade the software on their own. They have to install the software on their own. They have to maintain the software on their own. Clear, all of you? Both the clients and development companies, they have to upgrade the software, they have to install the software, they have to maintain the software on their own. all of you, because software versions are keep on changing. That's all wrong.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whenever version will change, they need to update the software as per requirement. Speak out, guys.
User
sir.
requirement.
Suppose take the example of Java language. Java is a programming language. I hope all of you know about this language name. First version of Java is 1.0. Do you know what is the current version of Java?
8.
I think 14.
16.
I think 16. Yeah, 16.0. That is the latest version. Tell me, Java programming language has different versions or not?
Yes, sir.
My company using Java 1.0. Still I'm using 1.0? No, should not. I have to upgrade according to my requirement. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like that. So technologies keep on changing, versions keep on changing. According to the version changing, we need to upgrade the software or not.
Yes, we
Yes,
can.
sir.
So whenever you upgrade the software, again you have to install the software. And also we need to maintain the software. Maintaining the software means what? We have to maintain a separate server rooms. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have to maintain some administrator rooms, networking rooms separately. Clear all of you? Anything can happen. Anything can happen, guys. Suppose take the example. What do you call? What is this? Any kind of things can happen. Any kind of natural calamities, I can say. What is this? Excuse me, someone need to mute, guys. Excuse me. Hello. So any kind of natural calamities my company is going to face. It might be earthquake problem. It might be what? Maybe flood problem, or tsunami kind of problem, any problem. Suppose take the example around 5-6 years back in Chennai, I'm talking in Chennai. Okay. 10 days completely rains, yes or no? Almost 10 days, all the companies are closed in Chennai. Do you know about that news? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard this news? In Chennai, around 5-6 years back, I'm talking.
Yes,
No,
yes.
sir.
The water is completely coming to the companies. All the server rooms are completely crashed in the companies. Again, they have to upgrade the software. They have to install the software. They have to maintain the software. They have to invest so much money. It's all comes and reward maintenance. So in the traditional system, both the clients and development companies, they need to upgrade, they need to install, they need to maintain the software on their own. These are the major difficulties both the clients and development companies are facing. That is long back story. So to avoid this spectral problem, vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called what? What is this? Speak out.
For computing.
Cloud computing. Once cloud computing come into the market, both the clients and the development companies are releasing from the burden of what? Upgradation, installation, maintenance. Upgradation, installation, maintenance. Everything will be taken care of by
Cloud computing.
will be taken care of by whom here?
Vendors.
Vendor companies. All of you understand, guys? Upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by vendor companies, guys. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is cloud computing here? As I said, cloud computing is a technology or a concept. In this technology, whatever IT services we require, everything will be provided by whom here? Vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. Clear, all of you? And how much services we are using? For that service only we need to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. This concept name is called pay-per-use model. What is this? Speak out.
Pay-per-use.
Pay-per-use, the name itself implies pay-per-use. How much services we are using? For that service only we have to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. That is why it can be called as what? Pay-per-use model, or I can say plug-and-play model, or IT services on demand. There are three names, guys. IT services on, what is this? Demand. These are the three different names here. Everything will provided by whom here? Vendor company. Now somebody got a doubt in the class. Sir, I understand the definition of cloud computing, but you last 5 minutes, you keep on saying that vendor company provides IT services, IT services, IT services. But what kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company provides basically 3 types of services. How many? Speak out.
3
Types
types.
of services. First type of service can be called as IaaS. The second type of service can be called as PaaS. The third service can be called as what?
SaaS.
SaaS or AAAS. AAAS stands for application as a service. What is this?
Application as a service.
As a service or software as a service, both are same. And the PaaS stands for
Platform as a service.
platform as a service. And IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. So let me discuss about one by one here. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. First, let me start with infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service means here vendor company provides hardware as a service to the clients and also development companies. And also what? Development companies. That kind of service can be called as what? Infrastructure as a service. Providing hardware as a service means what? Providing hardware as a service means what? Hardware means,
Server based.
yeah, they will provide the servers. They will provide the memory space,
Storages, memories.
yeah, storage space, memory space, and also they will provide the networking. This all comes under what category here? Hardware. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So infrastructure as a service means what? Here vendor company provides hardware as a service to the clients and development companies. Then that kind of service we can call it as what? Infrastructure as a service. Hardware as a service means what? They will provide the servers. They will provide the memory space. They will provide the networking. Maybe for your understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Memory space means, I hope you know about Google Drive. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the advantage of Google Drive?
Storage of
We can store data on
We can
cloud.
upload your files. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We can load, we can save, we can upload your files. We got all of you.
Yes, we can.
But Google Drive space given by whom? That space given by whom? Google company or not?
Yes.
So Google company memory space we are going to use, and we are going to save the files in that space. So this kind of service comes under what category?
Infrastructure as service.
My point is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second type of service can be called as platform as service. Here I'm going to ask a simple question. Try to understand what I'm asking here. As a developer, as an application developer, whether it may be Java developer or .NET developer or Python developer, any developer, suppose, as an application developer, if I want to develop any application, I need minimum 3 things. Yes or no?
Yes.
You know what are those?
User
ID.
I need some operating system.
Yes.
Basic things I'm talking. Without operating system cannot start. Yes or no?
Yes.
And also I need some programming
Process.
Programming.
and also I need some operating system. I need some database.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because for every application there should be some backend. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So without having these 3, it is not possible to develop any application for any client as a developer. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Speak out. Okay. So platform as a service means here vendor company provides What is this? OS.
Programming
What?
language.
Programming language. And what? Database.
Database.
As a service. A service to the clients. And whom? And the development
Company.
is called what? Platform as a service. Am I clear this point, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody, please look at the screen and try to understand what I'm speaking. This is the most important point I'm going to discuss right now. The platform which is given by Salesforce. The platform which is given by Salesforce is called, the platform which is given by Salesforce is called force.com. What is the platform name?
Force.com.
Does anyone hear this name?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah. The platform name which is given by Salesforce for the developers is called force.com. Actually, force.com is the old name, guys. The new name is called Lightning Platform. What is this?
Lightning platform.
Platform.
Force.com or Lightning Platform, both are same. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
What is force.com represents? Platform name which is given by Salesforce, on which developers can develop the application as per the client's requirement. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At this particular point of time, I need to tell one important point. Listen carefully and try to understand. Suppose if I want to develop any enterprise application,
Enterprise.
Application.
enterprise application, combination of 3 different applications. One is business application plus CRM application plus integration application. Understand, all of you?
Yes.
The combination of all the 3 applications, we can call it as what?
Enterprise application.
Enterprise application. Business application handles what? Company business. Yes or no? Business
Yes.
activities. CRM application handles what? Customer relationship
Customer
management.
relationship management.
And what is the last and final one here?
Integration.
Application. What is the meaning of integration application? Integration application means, I hope all of you know about bookmachine application. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And I have the account in HDFC Bank. I want to book a ticket through bookmachine application. I want to go to a movie. Okay, guys. That is why I want to book a ticket through bookmachine application. If I book the ticket through bookmachine application, my amount gets deducted from my account or not?
Yes.
Yes,
It's
sir.
an integration.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So bookmachine application, let us assume they developed on Java technology. Maybe HDFC Bank application, let us assume they developed on .NET technology. Both are completely different technologies or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
These 2 applications are developed on 2 different technologies, even though these 2 applications are communicated with each other. Sir, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
To perform
Yes,
the
sir.
transaction successfully.
Yes, yes, yes.
So in between, there is another application plays an important role. That application name is called what?
Integration app.
Integration.
Integration application.
So that is why bookmachine application is going to interact with what? Interact with what?
Different language.
HDFC Bank payment gateway. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
HDFC Bank payment gateway. Okay. From there, my amount gets deducted, and I will get the confirmation message from HDFC Bank. So and so amount is going to debited from your account. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
I got the confirmation message from HDFC Bank. And also I got the confirmation message from where? Bookmachine application.
Bookmachine.
And so date, and so time, and so picture, and so seat, your ticket has confirmed. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I got 2 SMSs. One is from bookmachine application. The other one is from where?
HDFC.
Bank. Your account is
2 different applications are going to communicate with each other, even though both are completely and entirely different technologies. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How it is possible? This is possible by using what?
Integration.
Integration application.
Integration application plays a vital role, plays an important role to communicate what? Heterogeneous applications. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So enterprise application is the combination of three things: business application, CRM application, and integration.
application.
If you want to develop enterprise application by using Java technology or Java programming language, at least you have to take minimum 4 to 5 years time to develop the entire enterprise application. How much?
4 to 5.
Minimum 4 to 5 years, because 90%, not 95% completely what? Coding part. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Java is completely based on coding only.
Yes.
Clear? Like the .NET, if you take .NET. If you want to develop the same enterprise application using .NET technology, that is also
Yes.
almost minimum 4 years time to develop.
Right.
Yes or no? That is not that much easy. Okay. Here also 90% is coding. Which language you are using? C# language. Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
right.
Yes, sir.
Right, yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
the same application, enterprise application, if you want to develop on force.com platform, what is the platform name given by Salesforce?
Force.
Force.com.
Force.com platform. Force.com platform. We can develop the application within the span of 8 to 10 months of time. That much of duration difference is there between other technologies and Salesforce. That is why on Force.com platform, as an application developer, we can develop the application very rapidly. That is why, what is the short name given here? RAD. RAD stands for Rapid
Application.
Application Development. What is the meaning of rapid? Rapid means
Fast.
fast
Very
application.
All the
It's
application.
very quick.
We can develop the application very quickly on Force.com platform. See, guys, if you take Java.NET, how much time it takes? Minimum 4 to 5 years. Same kind of enterprise application. If you want to develop it on Force.com platform, it takes maximum 8 to 10 months time. Clear all of you, because here only 60% coding part. How much?
60%.
60%.
Only 60%. Rest of the 40% application development. Rest of the 40% application development. You can develop through what? GUI. What GUI stands for?
Graphical user
Graphical
interface.
user
Graphical user interface.
So only 60% coding part. That is a coding part is less in Salesforce. Once coding part is less, so the developer can develop the application very quickly. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Rest of the 40% completely based on what? GUI. GUI stands for graphical
Graphical
user
user
interface.
Graphical user interface.
Just drag and drop and point and click. That's it. Just drag and drop and point and click. Nothing more than that. Clear all of you?
Sir, actually, I have a small doubt that,
Yeah,
So-
go ahead.
sir, what are the example of integration apps? I didn't get integration apps.
Integration application, this is the example I given. Bookmation application is going to communicate with what? HDFC Bank application.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Both are completely different technologies. They
Yes.
develop. But
Okay.
even though they can communicate with each other or not.
Yes.
Like that. Are you using PhonePe every day?
Yes. Yes.
Using PhonePe, can you transfer the funds?
Yes, I can.
Why not? You can transfer the funds. So
Yes.
PhonePe is one application
Okay.
and your bank application is different application.
Yes.
But even though your PhonePe application is going to communicate with bank application or not,
Yes.
using that in between, what is going to play an important role here? Integration
But my
application.
question is example of integration app
Example, integration app means
means business.
integration application
to
is one kind of
develop,
application.
Yes, to develop business application, we have to use Java.
Yeah,
or .NET.
you are using web services here.
Okay, fine. That's my question. Thank you.
Point clear? You are using what? Web services.
Web services. Okay.
Are you
Fine.
heard the name called REST API,
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir, right.
API,
Right. Yes,
Okay.
bulk API? Yes or no?
Yes.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Using these services, we can create what? we can develop integration application.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Clear this point, everyone?
Yes.
So that is why we can develop the application on force.com very quickly because coding part is very less. That is why the people who are scaring about programming, you no need to bother about this. The people who are scaring or bother about programming, you no need to worry about the programming here. Programming part is very, very less in Salesforce. Clear all of you what I am speaking?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Anyone know about Java here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is your name? What is your name?
Sajid.
Sajid.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I also know. I'm Aditya.
Aditya. Okay. Aditya, Sajid is there. Okay. Aditya know about Java language. So Aditya, do you know about JDBC?
Yeah,
Java database connectivity?
yeah. I'm actually working as a microservices developer, Spring Boot and all.
Very good. I think you can understand what I'm speaking. Okay. See, guys.
Yeah.
Even Java also following MVC architecture or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is view.
Model view controller.
This is controller. And what is this? Model.
Modular.
Okay. So in view, we can use what? Something like JSP.
Yeah.
The controller, we are using Java.
Java.
In the model, we are using Oracle database. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. Oracle database table. Understand all of you? See, guys, as an end user, if you want to fetch the data from the database, or if you want to insert the data into the database using Java programming language, at least minimum you have to write 300 lines of code. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. Minimum to minimum, because we need to include so many utilities, so many packages. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Your Java program.
Yeah,
Minimum
Java.
to minimum, you have to write 300 lines of code. Okay, for performing what operations? That operations. That means what? Create. Create means insert operation.
Right.
Create,
R means
update, insert, delete.
Right.
it means select operation. Yes or no?
Right.
Do means
Create
update
and
operation.
delete.
D means delete operation. These are the 4 operations generally performed by end user. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We got all of you.
Yes,
So if you want to perform these operations through view on database, for this we need to write the Java program in the middle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And also we need to give some JDBC connectivity and all.
Yes, sir.
At least minimum 300 lines of code or not. You got
Yes,
guys,
sir.
Java people, Aditya, Sajid, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
But same functionality I can give in force.com text programming language with 30 lines code.
Okay.
30 lines code we can finish. Where is 300 lines of code, man? And where is 30 lines of code?
Right, sir.
If you want to write 300 lines of code, at least you have to take 2 days time.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? If
Yes,
you want
sir.
to write 30 lines of code, just half an hour.
Yes, sir. Right.
Clear all of you?
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
give you an example.
Yes, sir.
I'll show you live example here. Let me log in. My old students in this program. Of course, we are using everything here. Let me take some variable batch 4.nat.com.
Okay.
1 minute, guys. Everybody, please concentrate. This is very, very important. Especially Java people, you can come across to know the advantage of Salesforce now. I want to insert the record in test object. See, guys, look at this program. How many lines of code is there?
28.
28 lines of code. Clear all of you?
And it is Apex, I think. So.
Yes.
Apex Visual Force.
Okay, fine.
Clear all of you?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, My S object is what? Employee. This is a table. Database point of view, we can call it as a table. Okay. These are the records. I want to insert a record through this program. I want to insert a record through this program. So click on preview button. So this is the view or not? This is the
Yes.
front end screen. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
How many buttons I placed? Save and cancel. Okay.
Save and-
Let me give Sajid. Employee name. Salary 60,000 I given. Department number 10 I given. Name manager. Click on save button. Record inserted or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Refresh this page. This is the table. This is the table. Understand?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Refresh this page. What is the name I given just now? Sajid.
Sajid.
Record inserted. Sajid. 60,000.
Yes.
Manager. Department number 10. Speak out.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Record
sir.
inserted
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Tell
Yes,
me
sir.
how many lines of code are written? 28 lines code. The same kind of functionality if you want to get in Java, how many lines of code you have to write?
You need
Sajid
to
or
follow
Aditya?
at 300 because you follow the MVC.
Yeah, how many lines of code?
There's 28 lines.
No, in Java,
In Java,
300 lines.
300 lines.
minimum 300 lines of code.
Minimum 300.
Where is 300 lines of code? Where is 28 lines of code, man?
It's a huge difference, sir.
No comparison, yes or no?
Yes.
But are you getting the same functionality or no?
Yeah, we got the same functionality.
Yeah, that is the
Very less
importance.
code.
That is the beauty of Salesforce. That is the beauty of Salesforce here. That is the reason. That is the reason we can develop the application very quickly. We can develop the application very quickly. That is why what I told here, RAD, rapid application development.
Sir, actually, I have noticed that this structure is mostly related to HTML. Is it?
Yeah, Visual Force is what? HTML only.
Yes, sir.
HTML is a markup language.
Yes.
Just like Visual Force is also markup language, which is given by Salesforce.
Okay.
Salesforce company proprietary language, markup language is Visual Force.
Okay.
Salesforce company proprietary programming language is called Apex.
Apex. Okay.
What is the programming language you're using?
Apex.
Apex.
Tell me, guys. I hope you understand, especially Java people can understand the major
Yes.
variation between the other technologies and Salesforce. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's
Yeah,
why I told you,
sure,
that is the
sir.
beauty. Yeah,
Sir, I want to speak with you for 5 minutes.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm a fresher, sir. I'm 2021 passed out. But if I learn Salesforce, is it
I
helpful?
told you, what is your name?
My name is Bharat, sir.
Bharat, I told you already. This is my number. Note down. Where is my number? This is my number. Please WhatsApp.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
If you
Thank
have any this kind of doubts, sir, I have a fresher, I'm a fresher, or I have a gap,
you.
like
Yeah.
this kind of questions, please ask me later.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, if you have any doubts regarding the subject, now you can ask, no problem.
And another thing is, after in between the course interview questions and all the things is
I will
plus.
provide all the interview questions.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
please follow me, guys. I will show the job within 3 months.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank
I
you
will
very
show
much.
the job within 3 months because I'm the corporate trainer here. These are all interview questions, guys. Only configuration part. As user can create, insert their own custom logos while creating the custom applications or not. Interview question. Understand? What is
Yes, sir.
sandbox? What is Salesforce? What is sandbox environment? What are the different data types of standard field record name can have? What are the different types of object relations in Salesforce? How we can create? What happens to detail record when the master record is deleted? All interview questions. CTS, TCS, those kind of interview questions, those companies interview questions, guys. I'm the corporate trainer over there. Clear all of you? What is lookup relationship? Understand everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Don't
Yes, sir.
bother about
Yes, sir.
the interview questions, recordings. running notes, material, everything I will provide. The only thing I'm expecting from your side is what?
Concentration.
Regular practice, concentration, attend the classes regularly without absenteeism. That is what I'm expecting from your side. Whatever you want regarding the subject, everything I will provide. Don't bother about this. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sir, this is Jitendra. I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so as you said that coding is very less in Salesforce. So
Yeah.
my question is, I don't have any background from coding. I am purely from operations background.
Yeah.
So if I want to get into this, do I need to learn some basics of coding of Java or any language to get into development part? Hello.
Please read this.
Yeah, I'm sorry, sir. I was not
please
able to.
read this. Please read this on the.
Okay,
What
sir.
I written?
Okay, got it.
Sir, I have one question.
So for all of your doubts, only one answer from my side. That is what? I will make you master in programming within 3 months.
As a Java developer,
Understand? What is your name? Hello.
Sir, this was Jitendra, sir.
Jitendra, understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, absolutely. Thank
No need to bother about the programming. Mehuna, everything I will be taking care of.
you. Okay, sir.
Please come along with me. That's it. Blindly come along with me.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
I will show the light. I will show the path.
Thank you, sir.
Fine, guys. Anything else?
No, sir.
I am Bharti.
Yeah, Bharti.
Yeah, so I have 6 years of experience in Java and recently switched my career to Salesforce.
Again, you come to the point. Please, this kind of questions, you directly message me. Shanti.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask if there would be any continuation on CLM tutorial also.
What CLM tutorial?
Yes, I mean classes or anything.
No, I didn't get your question. Please tell me.
Yeah, I just wanted to know about if there would be any sessions will be conducted on CLM topic also, CPQ CLM topics.
No, CPQ CLM we are not going to cover. That is very advanced actually.
Okay.
Because if you want to go for CPQ, if you want, I can teach personally, no problem. But the problem is we have to buy a separate server for that.
Okay.
That is very expensive.
Got it.
Okay. Without knowing the subject, you can't go for CPQ. What is CPQ? Do you know? What does CPQ stands for?
Contract price and quote.
That is wrong.
Configure price and quote.
Without knowing sales, so how we can understand all this? You got?
Yeah.
At least you should have CRM knowledge, na? Because it is related to CRM only, customer relationship management. Without the CRM, how we can understand all these things? You don't know what is a subject also.
Okay.
So that is why before you enter into CPQ or any CLM or any other thing, first of all, this course is enough. This course is important. Without knowing this, you can't go further. They're all very advanced topics.
Okay, got it.
Good
morning, sir.
Understand Sajid, Adi, Aditya, everyone in the class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, do we get the course completion certificate?
Someone need to mute, guys. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, do we get the course completion certificate?
If you want, they will get the certificate. DURGASOFT people. Okay, no problem. Okay, guys, don't ask this kind of questions to me. Please ask any subject-related questions. Sir, what is the fees? How much fees? And what is when I need to pay? How I need to pay? Please ask to the management. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir. So as a Java developer, how
regarding any subject, please talk with me. Okay, guys. Regarding any certificates, recordings, material, everything they will provide. Every day I'm going to provide running notes to you. That's it. From my side, I'm going to share what? Running notes.
Sir, can we
I'm going to create a separate WhatsApp group.
Sir, I have a question. Are we going to work within this 2-3 months, whatever the tenure of the course is, are we going to work any project, where we can tell, when we go for an interview, this is what I have worked?
Why not? If you want, if you're interested, then I will provide the project at the end of the session.
Okay, because that might help us, to
Definitely, why not?
in the interview as well.
Definitely, why not?
Okay.
I will provide the project.
Okay, sir. And sir, what will be the course timing and the fee structure? I mean, for this?
I'm not the right person to discuss about financial issues regarding this.
Okay.
Please ask the management.
Okay. And what will be the timing? And how can we?
Yeah, every day 1 hour session.
Every day 1 hour session. Okay.
Saturday, Monday to Saturday.
Okay. And all the sessions we can access after the session is over as well?
Yeah, after completion of the session, within 24 hours of time, you will receive the recordings.
Okay, sir.
Immediately, I will share the running notes after completion of the session.
Okay, perfect. Makes sense.
You will receive after 24 hours.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, there are Salesforce certifications are there, no, sir, like admin, consultant, developer, architect, marketer, designer. So after completion of this course, only admin is possible, or any certificates we can
There are 2 types of job profiles in Salesforce. After learning this course, after completion of the course, you can attend 2 types of jobs. Okay. The one is developer job, or you can settle as administrator.
Okay. Sir, as you said, there are 2 job
profiles. One minute.
Okay, sir.
Administrator job. Okay, guys. But if you want to go for development side, you should require programming language knowledge. These aspects anyway, I'm going to cover. Clear, all of you? Still, if you are suffering or maybe scaring about programming side, you can go for what? Administrator. But see, guys, listen carefully. At the end of the day, everybody, money matters. Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes.
Because why you are doing the job? Because of what?
Money.
Salary. Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah.
Clear, all of you. Why you are learning the courses? To get the job.
Yes.
Why you need to do the job? For getting the salary, for comfortable life. Yes or no?
Yes.
But comparatively, administrator, if you go and settle as a developer, you will get more salary than administrator. Point clear?
Yes.
At least minimum 15 to 20% salary variation is there between developer and administrator. That much of salary variation is there. Still, of course, some people may not accustomed with what programming side, then they can go for what administration also. No problem.
Sir, what's the job role of designer, sir? Salesforce designer.
Sorry?
What's the job role of Salesforce designer?
It's not Salesforce designer, Salesforce architect.
Okay.
Architect is different, developer is different. Architect, if you want to go for architect side, at least minimum you require 6 to 7 years development as a developer experience. Then only you can go for architect.
Okay.
Okay, guys, that's about the today's session. I hope all of you enjoyed the session today. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm working as a Java developer, so it is helpful. Is it helpful for me?
It is really beneficial for you because you're already having Java experience.
Yes, sir.
You can easily cope up with what Salesforce technology. And you do not require any Python language knowledge. You do not require any language knowledge here. Understand, all of you? You do not require any language knowledge. Clear? I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to start from scratch. What is language? What is variable? What is statement? Everything. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. No need to bother about the programming. I already told you. I already promised you. What is this?
So, sir, this is Ravan.
Master in the programming within 3 months.
Yeah.
Sir, is this testing will be covered, sir, in this?
No, testing is not covering. Testing is not required actually because there is a separate testing department. Because you're going for development side, that's why.
Sir, I have I will make you a master in programming within 3 months. So which language is like programming?
Apex language. Apex.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I'll catch you tomorrow same time at 10 o'clock. Thank
Sir,
you.
actually, I have small doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, I am from MBA background.
That's why this kind of questions, please message me.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Please
Thank you so
message me
much.
by evening.
Okay, fine,
But
sir.
it's not okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Tomorrow
Thank you,
same
sir.
time, 10 o'clock. Thank you guys.
Yes.
Thank you.